preparing burger on the go. So the first step will be to brush these breads with butter, and then little bit of preheat is required so that the bread a little bit toasted. So this step is very important, and burger preparation is very easy while on the go. Just buy burger breads, vegetable patty or chicken patty depending upon what type of burger you like to have. So we are toasting the breads at this moment, and everything is available in travel sizes, the butter, the mayonnaise, so it is not very difficult to carry this. Due to this problem, I have seen lot of them doing at floor level. If you cook at floor level, wind will be less.
वो ज़्यादा ऊपर होने से
विंड ज़्यादा
होता है ना।
हाँ, कई पिकनिकर्स को देखा फ्लोर लेवल में बनाने के लिए.
बस कर दो.
So it's giving good smell.
चीज़
now.
আছে বার্গার কি হবে হ্যাঁ আগত কোনো গরম प्लास्टिक दवा तो
नहीं नहीं यही है डेकोरेशन का. ये ना दो पैटी पैटी दे दो.